So we're here at the field. Beautiful day, lovely, all good. We're gonna see if we can fly some things. Probably gonna crash some things because this wind is pretty full on. Let's see if I can actually get you to see the windsock right now to see how we go. Keep in mind my planes are all pretty light, so yeah. Here we go. Windsock is there. It's going along. Look, it's probably not that bad for most of you who fly big heavy planes, but none of my planes are big or heavy, so we'll see how we go. Well, first up on the chopping block, see if we can fly this, the ultralight stream, 3D printed. We'll see how she goes. It has flown before, it's flown pretty well, but we'll see. Right, let's see if we're too crazy for this. Good. Few more loops. Oh, heavy. Let's see how we go again. Dip stall. Wing stall there, too slow. The wind took that little bit off. Oh shit. Shit. It's in one piece. I think we were running out of power. Oh boy. That front landing, front nose gear is getting a bit of a hammering. Alright, throttle off. Yep, throttle off. Right. Am I crazy for doing this? Probably am. Oh, that's so funny. other input there. So the wind has picked up. Since the Riot flew so well last time, we'll give it another go. Jesus Christ. Wing, here we go. Whoa. So that was not a very successful day. Still got some flights in lieu of the wind. That wind was pretty intense. So right now I'm just stopping by on the way home. Sort of called it early. As you would have seen in the video, the X100 unfortunately went down. It wasn't that bad. I think I'm gonna do a really rush fix job for it, where I will just glue everything and then we'll try and fly it again. It really didn't have enough elevator authority to get the plane up. I don't know whether that's just the wind. Probably not. I really think that it needs either a bit more throw, or I probably had the CG a little bit too far forward, so it wasn't climbing up. The Riot, as you saw, played really well, was pretty awesome. The Riot just like flew really nicely, a little bit slow, a little bit draggy, which was awesome. It was just standing there in the air, so that was pretty good. Not too bad. The Stream flew well actually with the so I've changed the music wire at the back now to a 1.5, so it's a lot more there's a lot more authority in the elevator now. It wasn't sort of wobbling around all over the place. It's still a little bit funny when it still drops a wing when it's going too slow. So oh well, that's the stall characteristics of it, so it just needs to fly a little bit faster. So yeah, there was a few like hair-raising events. But at the end of the day, when it's that windy, unfortunately I think it's not fun, because it's just, you're just flying off the seat of your pants half the time. I know some of you might find it fun, but yeah, look, the disclaimer, the Riot was a little bit fun to fly, but everything else, yeah, I didn't even take the EDFs out. I was gonna take all of my planes out for a nice little spin there, get them all trimmed out, and yeah. But anyway, it doesn't matter. Now it's time for some lunch. I got myself Zambreros, one of my favorite foods there. So yeah, anyway, thanks for watching. This is Low Cars Hobbies. I'm signing off.